Hey everyone, Crypto Dynamic here. Thank you so much for joining me. If you have been wanting to get into cryptocurrency but have no idea how to get started, this video is for you. In this quick video, I'm going to show you the best way for a beginner to get their hands on some cryptocurrency. And the best part of it is you'll be getting free cryptocurrency without spending a dollar of your own money. All right, so let's get started. So I am Crypto Dynamic. Head on over to my YouTube channel, hit subscribe, check out my other videos. We keep an eye on the crypto market. We're checking out different coins and the prices based on the charts and the crypto world news. So I just wanted to start this special series of videos for you guys so I can give you some of my knowledge, the tips and tricks that I've learned along the way that is going to help you be successful and have some fun while doing it. All right. So let's grab our phones, and it doesn't matter if you have an Android or iPhone. Head on over to your app store and we're going to look for Coinbase. So there are different types of apps that we know of. You've probably heard of Robinhood, Crypto.com. These are good ones to get started with, but like I said, Coinbase is the one that we're going to look at today because as we look at it, it's very user-friendly, and like I said, it can give you some free crypto, all right? So as you see, the interface is very easy to use here. It shows the balance once you have purchased a coin. Say if I want to buy some Bitcoin, I click on this. All right, now it shows me the current price, and it shows me a graph chart of what the price have done in the past and where we're at now. Okay, so once I hit trade, I can buy Bitcoin with cash. I click that. The next page will show me an option to buy Bitcoin. I can buy as much as I want, $10, $100, whatever it is. And then once you click that, you own Bitcoin. All right. So headed back here, you can see the different types of coins that are on Coinbase. Say if I click here on See All, Coinbase actually lists a bunch of different coins, but some of them you can see it says not tradable. So that just means that Coinbase does not have them available to purchase or trade. So, but they give you the information about that coin, but you just can't trade it. So what you want to do is click on the tradable, and now these are all the ones that you can buy. And then once you click on it, you can click this little star to put it in your watch list, just so you can find it easily. So as you see here, I have some Shiba Inu. If you have it, it shows you how much you have. And if I want to trade Shiba Inu for something else, I just hit Convert SHIB. Now I can trade this coin for any other coin that they have available. So if I hit Max right there, and I want to see what looks good today. Oops. Head back here. Let's see. Let's check out Algorand. All right. Now you hit that. And once this comes up, you hit Preview Convert. Next page, if it looks good, you hit Convert and it'll trade it. So now you will own 43.31 worth of Algo, and that will show up in your portfolio. Simple as that. But you said that we could get some free crypto. Where do we find that? All right, so if you slide over here, you see it says get up to $29. Take a quiz and earn crypto in minutes. Now, Coinbase does a great job of helping its users to learn more about crypto. And as you do so, they give you rewards. So if here, I want to take a look at this AMP. Look, I can earn $3 an AMP. If I click on this, it'll give you a little video to explain what AMP is about, and it'll give you a lesson, and you just answer the question. If you pay attention, it's a simple under a minute video. Like I said, if you pay attention, you can get that answered and earn the crypto. See down here, Stellar Lumens, earn $10. So like I said, just do these lessons, and they will put this $10 worth of Stellar Lumens right in your wallet on this app. If you're not patient, you can find the answers on Google, I'm sure. But like I said, they're very simple. And you get to learn about the different cryptos, which is a plus in my opinion. So, all right. So I hope this is helpful for you. Like I said, I mean, you can get $29 of free crypto, and then you can start trading away. And this will help you get your feet wet and start learning about how crypto works. So this is definitely a good place to start. And I hope you enjoy this video. Click like and subscribe. I'm gonna keep doing some of these informational videos for you guys, so you can keep learning. And if there's anything that you want to see, just type it in the comments. Let me know what you'd like to see next. All right, thanks. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.